What's good, people? Welcome to Monday. I hope you had a good weekend. I hope you're re-energized and ready to get active on this third week of the second quarter of the year. You know what I mean? You still can make this year what you want it to be, but it all starts with you. So whatever plans that you got, make sure you start putting them into motion, man. Spring is in full bloom. The sun is out. It's beautiful outside. Hey, man, it's motivating. And I hope you motivated too. So whatever you need to do, get you some breakfast, grab you some coffee, get your energy drink, and let's attack the week, man. Those dreams are out there, but they ain't gonna come unless you chase them. You know what I mean? So, hey, dreams have no expiration. Let's get to it. I believe in you. See you soon.